Assalamualaikum my dear friends and students. Welcome back to Pixcare channel. And I want to say all of you happy Eid Mubarak from me and the Pixcare family. So today I am going to talk about the how to create a beautiful animated sidebar design in HTML and CSS. Output is shown here. As you can see, it's just a text, and then I am clicking on this. You will get this dashboard options more and more with the icons and with animated, and close it, you will get this. So let's get started with the practical work. And if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it below the red button with the subscribe title, and also with the thumbs up if you like my video, and please share it to you. So I am in the HTML document and giving the title of animated sidebar. After this, I am including the style sheet that I already created. Link, rel, giving the rel, relation, style sheet. Without the relation, the link will not work. That's why I am giving the relation to style sheet. Then href is the linking of the HTML to the CSS file, external CSS file. That's why I am giving the style sheet 1.css. That's it. And we will also put the some icon, so I have to put the link of that one, that is the rel, again style sheet, and giving the reference. How I am giving the reference? So go to the Google browser and find out Font Awesome Syrian. Copy the link, Font Awesome CSS, Control C, and then V. href is the, here is the link of Font Awesome. Now close it and save it. Now we need to create a unordered list. That's why I am creating a div and giving the class of sidebar. Then close it. In the div, I am creating some header portion for the highlighting. So that is my app design. Okay, and after this, I am giving the unordered list for creating a sidebar menu bar. And in the UL, I am creating list item with the different names. So first I need to put anchor tag with the reference with the name of, and I am putting this hashtag. You can put the name link also. This is my first one, and in this I am going to be add dashboard. Copy this. I am going to paste it 6 times and save it. Okay, now giving the different names like home, dashboard, and the home is same, so I am giving the dashboard version 2, and this is version 1. Okay, and then the teamwork, data, tables, and then contact and logout. Save it. It's just a simple unordered list. Now run this program to work on. Going to open the sidebar with open with Google. So this is very simple format that I have done. My app design is the name of the header and then another list. Now going to some styling, apply on the body is giving just a font family to be better or more professional. I am giving sans serif. Okay, and after this I am putting the static. Static is just will work on all elements of the HTML document. Means that if you have another list or any header or div anything in the body tag, the static will apply every styling that you will given this. So I am giving the list type, list style type none, and then this style type will work like if this listing have the some of the bullet styling, then it will give the none options to the list items. Then another property is text decoration. It will work on the anchor tag that will give no link of the underlined, like here are the some of the underlined text. So with the text decoration you will remove it. So I am giving none this also. After this I am giving the margin 0, padding 0. Save it and run the program. So I removed bullets and also the underlined of the text underneath that underlined text, and one thing more, the font family. Now move on and work on the class, means the div. Calling the class sidebar. In the sidebar we need to have put the background color. So giving the background color black should be dominate. Then width is just about 250 pixels. Giving the height 100%. Okay, in this if we have to giving the HTML document 100%, then it will work the scrolling. So I don't want to add the scrolling options in my document, and I will give this sidebar to position fixed. That's it. So reload this, and here I am. My app design is not showing because its color is black. Sorry for notifications, and we are going next. Now the task is to put the font icons and also giving the styling of the header. First I am giving sidebar, calling the class, and then header. Header is about the tag, and in the sidebar header I will give the font size is approximately 22 pixel. Then giving the color white to show on the black background. text align, center, giving line height 70 pixels, also giving the background color in the hexacode 063146. Then I am giving a property of user select, means when the user will come or go to the header, it will not select it or giving the link of the working. So I am giving none of these, like user select, none. Reloading this, you can see my app design of the background and then the color, and it's not going to select, so user will not select the app design. Now the time is to style this UL list item, giving the icons I, then class, with the name of font as FA is for the font awesome, then for again, and giving the class QR code is for the dashboard. Save this and copy 6 times again. Changing the values, teamwork is about users, data tables is for the settings, org. You can find more from the Font Awesome Icons websites. Contact is for the phone, logout, sign in, save it. Now run. Here I added some icons with the list items. Now providing styling, go to sidebar, then UL, then list item, giving the display block height 100%, width 100%, line height 65 pixels, font size 20 pixels, color white, padding left 40 pixels, box sizing, border box, border bottom, one pixel solid black, border top, RGBA values, but for the again 1 pixel solid RGBA. Red color values 255, green color value 255, and blue value 255 again. And then last one, A is for stand alpha colors, so I'm giving the alpha 0.1. After this I am giving the transition for the animations like 0.4 seconds. Save it and run the program. Here I am with the icons, and I am adding the anchor tag also. So it's working now. So I have done half of the portion, but still we have to create animated sidebar with the 3 bars to click and close it the sidebar menu. And I request to all of you, if you don't subscribe, please subscribe, like my video and share it to your friends. Let's continue again. Save it and then giving the some margin and padding between the icons and list items. Going to style sheet file, ULLI hour A, padding left 50 pixels, then calling the class sidebar, UL under another list A, and then I, giving the margin right, pixels. Save it and run. Okay, it's now ready. Now moving to the animated and the main work that we have done now. Now the main work is started. I am working on the close and the menu bar icon to close the sidebar and the open sidebar. Input, then type checkbox ID check. Then in this the input will work for the label and the ID, and this label is for the check. Close this, and in the label I am adding 2 icons with the name of far bars, giving the ID BTN button, and then again I class far times, then ID cancel. Save and run. So here are the checkbox, menu bar and the close icon. So working on this styling, we will work, this will show to open and close. Okay, now apply the styling on the main work, calling the ID check display none. After this I am adding the tag label and then calling ID BTN. Same for the cancel. Position, absolute, background, color 042331, giving the border radius 3 pixels for rounded shape, and cursor pointer. I want to show the cursor pointer. Save it. So the checkbox is not displaying, and I have the menu bar and close button, cancel button. Moving to forward, label, button, left 25 pixels, top 25. This may be smaller, so some of these are 40 pixels, top 25 pixels, and then font size 35 pixels, giving color again white, padding 6 pixels from left and top from 12 pixels, and then transitions is approximately all 0.5 seconds. Transitions will be the 0.5 seconds to all of these. Reload, and it's working. Close and the menu bar. Now let's move on. Same for the cancel button, label, then cancel, left 40 pixels, top 25 pixels, left minus 195 pixels, top 17 pixels, font size 30 pixels, color zero 85275, padding 4 pixels and 9 pixels, transition all 0.5s is, then Z index will work is showing some values, that is Tetra 1. Now reload this, and I reloading this, the icon is changed now. Move forward. Now I am working on the menu bar and the cancel bar, how to close and open the sidebar. Check ID. When it will check, then it's similar to the sidebar class, means that when the pointer will go to the sidebar, it will be checked, and I am giving this to styling 0. Again same, check, when check ID will checked, then it's similar to, the similar button is below the escape button of the keyboard. Then label, calling the ID, giving the left 250 pixels, opacity 0, pointer events like the pointer wheel painted stroke are visible or not. So I want to show the pointer will not work. Save it. Pointer is just a mouse, is like a mouse. Now run this. Again same to the cancel button. So I'm copying this and pasting here. And replace the btn to the cancel id. In this, I am giving the left 195 pixels. Again pasting it, and labels when the button check will clicked, it will similar to the section. You are going to think that I am not adding any section portion in the document, so I am now adding this portion also. Why I am adding this portion? This is for the left portion and the section portion, remaining portions. So after that div, I am creating the section portion, and in this section I am adding some heading of heading 5, and in the heading my latest app design. Save it. And in this section I am giving some styling of margin left, that is 25 pixels. 25 will not enough, so 250 pixels. Now run this program. We have this, but note the sidebar menu and the cancel button. So we should give that to the property of left. It's showing here. It's hidden on this side. So going to the sidebar, styling. In the styling, I am giving the left property with minus 250 pixels. And now run this. Here we are, and before this we need to style this also section portion. So now giving the heading 5, in the heading 5 font size 50 pixels, then margin left 300 pixels. Let's check out this works. Margin top 20 pixels and text align center. Save it. Latest app design, and clicking on this I get the my app design dashboard and these kind of things, and then close it back to the point. So we're having some trouble on this. Let's fix it. To check this, why is giving this, so we need to check our styling. I think the margin left and margin top will working this on the heading file. Let's reload this. So yes, it's somehow better. If I added this tag smaller, going to this one and adding this my app, save this and reload this. Here I am, my app, my dashboard 1, 2, 3 and contact logout. It is. So I hope you will like my video. If you like, please thumbs up to like this video and to share this video to the friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell icon for latest updates.